a privilege for us to be working in partnership with the UN forces who are keeping peace in Gudele Block 4, not only Gudele Block 4, particularly, but as in South Sudan. My community, they are very happy with the service that has been offered here. They get tested, those who are positive, they receive treatment, and they are very happy.
We believe whenever there is a UN probes, we believe that there is a relative peace around the area, because by the name they are called peacekeepers. So when they are there, you can feel like safe, because actually they are doing their mandate, keeping peace.
No peace without health. If you are keeping peace, make sure that you must maintain health. Today you are doing it.
So I would like to give a big thanks to UN forces for the activity that they have done. They put a positive impact on our community, Gudele Block 4. They will not forget, and it will be a role model that they will follow to keep our environment clean, and then we should have no malaria cases.
Community work, it is very recognizable work, and I appreciate actually the work done by the Rwandan contingency, and it's a good example for us to copy, because actually the idea is there, but implementation, it is not there. But as far as we have seen today an example, I think we can also copy from it and call our community to do the same in the coming days, inshallah.
Rwanda is South Sudan. Our brothers and sisters, what you have done today, we in the Ministry of Health will never forget.